Hi friends, this is Rakesh. Now we are going to see how we can pass values using pass by value and pass by reference. If you see this in theoretical way, I can bet you won't understand it. So I have written a small basic program for explaining that. So you might have seen this program in the previous videos. So if you haven't seen, please try to watch that video for clear understanding. So this is called pass by value. What I have done is I have created two variables x and y and assigned values with 2 and 3, and I have just printed the x value and y value. That's okay. Then what I have done is x equal to y. What I am trying to tell the machine is put the y value in x. Since in x and y are of primitive data type, it passes the value using pass by value. What is the meaning by pass by value? If you change y value, if you change x value, it won't reflect in y value because y has some memory and x has some memory, so it doesn't relate to each other. If you change x, it will change only x, it won't affect y value since the data type for x and y are primitive data types. If you execute this, you would have seen that, say here I have changed the value of x to 1, so it reflects only x value but not y value. But that is not the case for pass by reference. So by default, whenever you create a class, whenever you create an object, when you use equal to operator to assign to other object, it does pass by reference. Pass by reference means what it does is S1 and S2 values are not copied. S1 and S2 memory is pointed to S1 memory. So whenever you change S1 values or S2 values, it will get reflected in both S1 and S2. So we'll see with an example here. See, for S1 I have a name called Rakesh, S2 Lenin. Here I have assigned S1 equal to S2 using pass by reference. By default it's pass by reference. I am not assigning it explicitly. So here I am just displaying the information, and then what I am trying to do is s1.set marks 10, 20. I am just assigning marks for S1 object. I haven't touched S2, but when we execute the program, you will see that here I have modified the object of S1, so 10, 20, but it got reflected in S2 also. The reason behind it is here S1 equal to S2 means pass by reference. S2 memory address is being pointed by S1. So whenever you change S1, it will get reflected in S2. Whenever you change in S2, it will get reflected in S1. So you might have some confusions or some questions about pass by the value and pass by the reference. It's very common. So you can post that in YouTube comments. I will try to respond as soon as possible. So please try to work out this logic. If you have any doubts, please try to post as comments. Thanks for watching.